I heard everything. You wish to learn about the 24-hour clock system and about the clocks in the station. All good friends of mine, by the way, were showing the time as 17, right?
Right.
All right then. Let's learn about the 24-hour system of time. The 24-hour system of time is written as the number of hours that have passed since midnight. In the 24-hour system, the day is not divided into two parts of 12 hours each, but is a continuous period of 24 hours. In the 24-hour system of time, the time is written in 4 digits. The first 2 digits on the left are for the hours and the next 2 digits are for the minutes.
But isn't that what we do for the 12-hour system of time as well?
No, JC. In the 24-hour system, the hours and minutes are not separated by a dot. So what you read as 17 was actually 1700 hours.
Okay, but what does that mean?
Okay, listen. In the 24-hour system, time starts at 12 o'clock midnight. This is known as 0 hour. Then, the first hour after that is counted as 100 hours. The count of the hours continues like this.
So you mean 2 a.m. will be written as 200 hours?
Exactly. And what will you write 4 a.m. as?
400 hours.
Correct.
But suppose it is 4:30 a.m. How could we write that in the 24-hour time format?
We will write it as 430 hours. Now, JC, 10:45 in the morning will be written as
1045 hours.
Exactly. So now you know how to read time till 12 o'clock in the afternoon. Am I right?
Yes, but what happens after 12 o'clock in the afternoon?
12 in the afternoon or 12 p.m. is 1200 hours. After that, 1 p.m. becomes 1300 hours.
Cool.
2 p.m. is 1400 hours. And so on till 11 p.m. which is read as 2300 hours.
But it's a little confusing, isn't it?
No, JC. Here's how you can avoid confusion while reading 24-hour time. If the first 2 digits to the left are less than 12, the time shows the morning hours. That is, before 12 o'clock noon or AM. And if the digits are more than 12, that means the time is after 12 noon or PM.
This is great. So 11:30 p.m. will be written as 2330 hours.
Right again.
Oh, so that's why when we reached the railway station, 5 p.m. was written as 1700 hours.
Exactly. Now you see how convenient the 24-hour time format is. There is no confusion because of AM or PM. Each hour of the day is denoted by a different number.
You are right.
That is why in places where we want the time to be specified without error, we use the 24-hour time format.
Like airports and railway stations?
Yes, this stops you from making mistakes like waiting for the train at 5 in the morning when your train is actually at 5 in the evening.
Where else do we use the 24-hour time format, Digi?
The 24-hour time format is used in hospitals, by scientists, by TV stations, and even by the military.
Wow!
So, it's important for you to know about converting the 12-hour time format to the 24-hour time format.
Cool! Can you show me how to do that?
I think you might need my help for that.
Grandfather William has decided to help us. Great! This will make things much easier.
So tell me, JC, what time is it in the 24-hour format when it is 8:15 p.m. according to me?
13, 14, 15.
Wait! Don't start counting. There's an easy way to convert 12-hour time to 24-hour time.
What is it?
All you need to do is to add 12 to the hours and keep the minutes same. This will give you the time in the 24-hour format.
So, what will 8:15 p.m. be in the 24-hour system of time?
8 plus 12 is 20. 15 minutes remains the same. So 20, 115 hours, right?
Very good. Now one more. What about 4 p.m.?
4 plus 12 is 16. So 4 p.m. will be written as 1600 hours.
Excellent! I think you've got it.
But what about converting time from 24-hour format to 12-hour format?
Oh, that's easy too. All you need to do then is subtract 12 from the hours and keep the minutes same. Let's try an example. If I was showing the time as 1900 hours, what would be the time Grandpa William will show in the 12-hour format?
19 minus 12 is 7. So 7 p.m.
Perfect.
And what about if the time has 1436 hours?
I will subtract 12 from 14, which gives me 2. So the time according to 12-hour format will be 2:36 p.m.
That's great!
So, JC, I hope you're not confused about 12 and 24-hour time anymore.
No, I'm not. All thanks to you guys.
JC? JC? Are you there?